Good morning, everyone. So, for today's breakfast, something that we thought would be good is a little bit of some kimchi pancake and a lot of fish cake sausages. So, to get started with, the first thing that we have to do is cut the green onions and just cut it to at least an inch or half an inch, to be honest. It all depends on you and how you like it. Then you put it on a bowl, and then after that you're gonna go ahead and get your kimchi. So for this one, to be honest, when you're cutting the kimchi, you just cut it however some people like it in very small pieces, but for me, I like it to at least be a little bit more of a bite-sized piece, so when you're eating the pancake you can really like just gnaw on the kimchi itself. But if you want it to dice it up a little bit more smaller, you can definitely do that. I think it will still have the same crunchiness. After you cut the kimchi and the green onion, you're just gonna put them together into a bowl, and then after this we are gonna go ahead and start adding the flour. So for this recipe, I actually put 1 cup of flour, some pinch of salt, and a lot of peppers because I do like peppers. And after that, I put 1 cup of water. So it's 1 cup of pancake mixture, flour, and 1 cup of water. And that's all I did. After that, just keep on mixing the flour and the water until it's fully mixed up. So one of the things that you would actually notice when you first start making kimchi pancake, you might think that it's a little bit too watery, but that is how the recipe is. So don't be alarmed if you think that it's too watery and you want to add more flour. You are totally good. And as you can see right there, it is a little watery, but that is ready to be fried. On a pan, just put a little bit of oil because my first try was actually I'll say a little bit of a fail because I put too much oil. So this oil is enough. So just scoop maybe 1 or 2 scoop of kimchi pancake. As you can see, that's actually me trying to make a round. Didn't really work. So for a beginner like myself, I don't want to put to kind of cover the whole pan with kimchi because I'm scared that I may not flip it properly. So if you're a beginner like myself, this size is good enough. So even if you use 1 or 2 spatula, you will be able to properly flip them over. This is the finished product. So for 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, I was able to make at least 4 kimchi pancake. And as you can see, they look very crispy and very good. If you're like me who likes it crispy, go ahead and keep on flipping it over until both sides gets very crispy. But if you like it soft, then maybe 1 flip is good enough. But to be honest with you, making them crispy is better, so when you dip it you can really hear that crunch. Moving on into the fish cake sausages. So as you can see right there, you do have to take out the clear cast onto it. It's not really a case, it's more of like a little casing like that. Just take it off. And then after that, just cut it into bite-sized pieces. I actually like it a little bit thinner like that because in that way I can make a lot, because I am not only feeding myself, I am also feeding my sister, and we really do enjoy fish cake sausages. But if you want to cut them up a little bit bigger, then go ahead and do that. So for this recipe, I actually use just egg whites because it's left over from my French macaron, and I just put some salt into it. First, I dipped the fish cake sausages into the flour, and then after that, I went on ahead and actually dipped it into the egg before I go ahead and fry it. So just keep on repeating those steps until you have the whole batch into the fryer. And after you fry all of that, this is pretty much what you're gonna get. So the kimchi pancake and the fish cake sausages is actually very good to eat with rice. And the sauce, as you can see, that is choganjang. If you would like to know how to make that sauce, please comment down below, and I might make another video just dedicated to making that sauce. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and if you would like to follow us on Instagram, it would be on the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!